Hey everyone, and welcome to Tip Time Thursday. Today's edition is about shining the kitchen sink. And the kitchen sink shining is a concept that I learned from the Fly Lady, and it's like the first step of gaining control over clutter in your kitchen. And I guess it comes from feeling like if your kitchen sink is clean, then it gives the whole house kind of a feeling of cleanliness and order. So today we're going to clean the kitchen sink Mary's way, not the Fly Lady's way. And Mary's way is with baking soda and dishwasher soap, not filling up the sink with hot water and bleach like the Fly Lady does. So I have a composite sink, and it gets kind of dirty. And the method that works the best for cleaning it is baking soda and dishwasher soap. So I'm gonna get a little container here, a plastic container, and I'm just adding ordinary baking soda to it. And I have a double sink, so I want to make enough to kind of coat the whole bottom of both sinks. So here's my baking soda, and then I want to add some dishwashing soap. I'm using Dawn, and I want to make a paste. Now, it's important when you're shining the sink with this method, and also cleaning with any kind of method, when you put a cleaning material on a surface and want it to clean for you, it's really important to use dwell time. And that's, don't immediately wipe off any kind of cleaning solvent that you use. Let it dwell, put it on, and let it work for you before you start scrubbing and wiping it off. That's a tip from me to you that I just recently learned. So here is my paste of baking soda and dishwashing soap. And it's actually, because the Dawn I used is pink, it's actually a beautiful pink color. So in the last 10 minutes dwell time, I've just quickly taken some white vinegar in a spray bottle and gone around and cleaned the rest of my countertops, which is really easy to do in my kitchen because, like I said, it's very tiny and it's really easy to clean up. So I'm just going to now scrub out all of the pink paste. So now my sink is all shined up, and I thank you for joining me on this Tip Time Thursday. If you like my channel, go ahead and tell me that you care by clicking the thumbs up button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also visit my website, bohulocal.com, and that is how I shine my sink. Thanks for joining me.